Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to remove chromatic aberration in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos, and Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library where you can add and edit any photo that you like. Now tap on the photo that you'd like to remove chromatic aberration, and here you will see many options on the bottom menu. Scroll through these until you see Optics. Tap on that, and here you will see Remove Chromatic Aberration as the first option. Simply toggle it on, and the chromatic aberrations will be removed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below, and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.